What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a look on X because this coin was a few days ago launched on a multiple exchanges, and in this video I will show you the exact setups that I'm currently watching here. So if you are interested about the exact trades that I'm planning to take here, of course if certain conditions are met, then definitely watch this video till the end. Before this video continues, I just want to let you know that this YouTube channel is directly connected with my Discord trading group, where I am sharing everyday analysis on the altcoins that I'm currently watching. So if you are interested in that, you can check it out, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on a 15-minute chart. I would really love to do here analysis on a higher time frame, but as I said, this coin was like 2 days ago launched on a multiple exchanges, so the best time frame that we can use right now is just a 15-minute. But you can see that historically we had here like really nice volatility even on that 15-minute, and for example this candle had like 33% of a net market. Right now we are kinda consolidating in this range, which is between levels approximately 0.6512 and 0.5689. Right now, I'm watching here two main areas. The first one is this bearish order block, which is between levels again 0.07153 and 6865, and then this previous low, which is on the 5443. To open here a long trade, there needs to be either breakout and then support confirmation of this bearish order block, the exact trade with the exact take profit target and stop loss I will show you later, or a liquidity grab under like this previous low. So I want to trade here something similar like here. You can see that under like this low, we don't have that much liquidity. And me personally, I will be waiting for a liquidity grab on also under this previous low. So the level approximately 0. Again some zeros, 5249. And if there will be breakdown under this level and then a support confirmation, I will draw a line here, then this can be a really interesting long opportunity. So the entry will be again somewhere above this line, because I want to see here that fake out with the support confirmation, and the stop loss in this case you want to place under the low that we will create during the fake out. So let's assume it will be like 5%. Last take profit target, in this case you can for example place under like this previous high, something like that, which can give you risk reward ratio up to 30, and that's like absolutely insane. Of course, this is not gonna be our final risk reward. I am placing it that high just because this coin is really small. It has really small market cap. So if this coin is gonna go viral, then we can see here definitely pump, for example, to these previous levels, because you can see once the coin was launched, we had here a pump around like hundreds of percent of a net market. So if you will, for example, speculate to this, you can get to a risk reward ratio around 100, but this is not the trade that I wanna take. I will be speculating for something like this. As I said, you want to take here multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits you definitely want to take somewhere around like these areas, then they're definitely under these previous lows, then under this bullish order block and slightly above, because if there will be breakout, there still can be just a fake out without the support confirmation. The same you want to do in this next bearish order block, so some profits for example here and here, and then you can again take some of the profits during the way up. So for the, let's say, 140% of a net market, you can take like 7 and 9 take profit target, something like that, which will decrease your risk reward ratio by I think around like 30%, something like that. So we can see here risk reward ratio around 20, yeah, something like that, and that's in my opinion really good for a trade like this. Another potential trade that you can take here will be valid in case of a breakout and then support confirmation of this bearish order block. So this entry to be reached, there needs to be a pump at least around like 15%, but open a long position right now is in my opinion not the best idea, because there is still pretty high probability that because of this sideways channel we are gonna go on even lower levels, and as I said previously, we had here an open order for a potential long trade, of course in case of fake out and then a support confirmation. The exact trade in this bearish order block can look for example like this. So stop loss in this case you want to place just under this bearish order block, because if there will be breakdown with a resistance confirmation, then the price is probably going down, so you don't want to hold your losing position longer than it's necessary. And with your last take profit target, you can play it two ways. The first way is to trade it just as a scalpel trade, because if there will be breakout with a support confirmation, I think there is pretty high probability that we are gonna test this bearish order block. So you want to wait here for a liquidity grab, which can give you a trade with risk-reward ratio approximately 4.47. With a trade like this, you want to take like 2 free take profit targets. So some of the profits you, for example, want to take like under this previous high, then under this bearish order block and above. So the final risk-reward ratio is going to be like 3.8, 3.5, something like that, which is still a really good setup. Or you can use our main take profit target from a previous trade, which will give you risk-reward ratio around 15. Again, if you will take potential take profit targets, you will take like 5, 6 take profit targets. Maybe in this trade, the risk-reward ratio is going to be like 10, something like that, which is another really wonderful setup. Also, don't forget that on a small coin like this, it is really important to do a proper risk management. So for a trade like this, do not risk more than, for example, 1% of your trading capital. Of course, it will depend on how big profit you want to get, or how big potential stop loss you are gonna get, but definitely not more than 1% of your trading portfolio. And also take multiple take profit targets, because this is, as I said, really small altcoin. We can, for example, see here a huge pump and then a huge dump. You can see that like in like one day we did here a pump. If we are gonna take a look here, we did a pump around like 700%, and from this high we were down around like 80% in the same day, which is like absolutely crazy. And we had here almost the same thing. Here you can see it was a pump around like 160%, and in the I don't know how many hours, in like 19 hours we were again like 60% down. So yeah, definitely be careful, do not risk high percentage of your trading capital, and also use proper risk management, because this is the most important thing if you want to stay profitable in trading in the long run. But yeah guys, this will be all from me for today. If you want to copy my exact trades, definitely don't forget to join my Discord trading group, where I am sharing those analysis every single day, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. But yeah guys, this will be all from me for today. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.